Hey, funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh! Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look, so many toys. Whoa! It's shiny. It's bouncy. It's a ball. What else? Oh, I know. It's a blue ball. What else do I have that's blue? It has wheels. It goes vroom, vroom. It's a blue car. What else? Oh. Ha. Ha. It's warm. Ha. It's snuggly. Oh. It's a blanket. A blue blanket. Oh. A blue ball. A blue blanket. A blue car. And a carrot. A carrot isn't blue. It's orange. But I love carrots. Yummy. Vroom, 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 vroom. Blue car coming through. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Vroom, 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 vroom. Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. It's a great day. And you know what? This day is very, very quiet. Listen. It's so quiet. I can't hear anything. When I'm being quiet, I walk quietly. I try not to make any noises. Shh. What was that? not quiet. That sound was so loud. What could it be? Wow! What was that loud sound? I stepped on something. What is it? Look what I stepped on. Why, it's a squeaky horn. A horn makes a squeaky sound. It goes beep, 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 beep. Listen to the sound. Beep. Everybody can hear it. Oh, the birds can hear my horn. That dog heard my horn. That car heard the horn, and it honked back. Everybody loves this funny sound. I'm so glad I found this horn. It changed my day from being very, very quiet to very, very loud. I can't wait to show my mom and dad. What a great horn! It's going to be a loud day. Hooray! Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, hello, little ones. I'm Harry the Bunny. Oh, what's this? Is it a car? Vroom, vroom, vroom. No. Is it a... Is it a telephone? Hello? Hello? Who's calling, please? Goodbye. No, that's not it. Maybe it's a fork. What was that sound? That's loud. It makes you listen. I know, it's a whistle. Whoa, that's so loud. Can you hear me? I'm blowing a whistle. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.
Hi, little ones! Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. I wonder what the next one will be about.
Oh, hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. Oh. What is it? Oh. shaped like a circle. Is it a basket for carrots? Oh. No. There's a top on it. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, it makes a sound. Oh, I know. It's a drum. Listen to that. What if I use this stick? Ooh. Oh. Listen to that. That makes a loud sound. I know. It's a drumstick to play the drum. Bum 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 bum. Drum 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 bum. Drum drum drum. Drum drum bum. Drum drum drum. It makes music. And it's very noisy. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, bunny bunnies. Oh, hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. I'm thirsty. And I have this yummy drink. Achoo! Achoo! It smells sweet. Oh, it feels cold. And it looks, yellow. It's lemonade. Lemonade is yellow and sweet. What's this? Is this a yellow moon? No. It's not a yellow moon. It's also not a yellow cucumber. It's yellow, like my yellow lemonade. And I think you can peel it. Hey! I know. It's a sweet yellow banana. Yellow, yellow, bright tomato. Yellow, yellow, bright tomato. What a tasty yellow day. Yellow lemonade to drink and a yellow banana to eat. Yellow. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.
Hi, little ones! Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. I wonder what the next one will be about.
He's Harry the Bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the Bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest.
Harry the Bunny. He's Harry the Bunny.
Is it a boat? Do, 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 do. No. Or is it? Is it a giant spoon? Where's my giant cereal bowl? No. What was that sound? Listen. Can you hear it? Strum. I know. This is a guitar. Wow. A nice guitar sound. So pretty. It makes music. This song is for all the babies and bunnies. Say bye-bye, Hurry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Oh! Hello, little ones. I'm Hurry the Bunny. Look. Vegetables. This is a big one. It looks a little bit like a tree. It's broccoli. And it's green. Oh, look at this one. It's very long and bushy at the top. And wow, crunchy, long, bushy, crunchy. I know what this is. It's celery. And it's green too. Looks good. Very leafy. It's from the garden. Shh, don't tell me. Oh, it's lettuce and it's green. Broccoli, celery, lettuce. They're all vegetables, and they're all green. And They're yummy. Time for lunch. Say bye-bye, Hurry the Bunny. Bye-bye, Funny Bunnies.
Hi, little ones! Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. I wonder what the next one will be about.
Oh, hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. Ha! I love the color red. Everything looks so much prettier in red. I'm calling today a special red day. And I'm ready for it. I'm going to make everything red today. I'll start by painting a yummy red strawberry with my red crayon. Ooh, what a yummy looking red strawberry. Too bad I can't eat it. Now I'm thirsty. And because today is a red day, I'm going to drink some red tomato juice. Oh, red and tasty. Now, what can I play with that's red? Wow! My red fire engine. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm ready for a nap. I hope I have a lot of dreams about red flowers and red balloons. But not red carrots. Carrots shall always be orange. Say bye-bye, Hurry the Bunny. Bye-bye, Funny Bunnies. Oh! Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. La la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la. It's Mommy's birthday. We're having a party with yummy carrot cake and lots of songs. I'm going to sing Mommy a birthday song. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'll have cake later. I need to practice my singing now. For singing, I need music. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Be happy birthday. Now let's pick a song. A song has music you can dance to and words you can sing to. La 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 la, la 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 la. Hey, I know what song y'all sing, Mommy. It's a special birthday song. I came up with all the words to it. Happy birthday! Happy great song. But if you don't know the words to a song, you can always just hum. See you later. I can hum. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.
Hi, funny bunnies! Subscribe now!